So, hey, welcome. My name is Jackie, and I wanted to go ahead and come on here today and also start off with my Facebook page. That way, you're able to connect with me and also see that I am a real person. Here's my Facebook. You can connect with me here. Um, and I would really appreciate that. That's really great to meet new people, and especially people that are looking to make an additional income from home and something that you can do on your spare time. But one thing about this is the fact that with this type of particular business model, you're able to pretty much change your lifestyle. So I want to go ahead and get into the first opportunity that I'm with. That's Digital Wealth Pros. If you're new to my channel or if you've seen me before, I have been with Digital Wealth Pros since February. And as you can see here, these are the capture pages that are offered with Digital Wealth Pros. In regards to starting something online, some of the most important things that you need to have is a great converting capture page, a great offer, and as well, something that's recommended is a closing team. So that comes with Digital Wealth Pros. And these are the capture pages that you're able to use with Digital Wealth Pros. Um, I am currently using other capture pages, but I am testing some of these. I'm starting to test some of these capture pages as well. Um, and a capture page is where you grab somebody's email, their name or their email, so you can go ahead and follow up with them because the average person does not buy on the first time. It takes about 8 to 12 times for them to be exposed to something and pretty much realize, hey, you know what, this could be for me, this could work for me. And that's exactly what happened with myself. I was on Tammy Montgomery's email list, and she is also number one on the leaderboard with DWP, with Digital Wealth Pros. Well, I was on her email list for quite some time, and I, I would always read her emails, and I, of course, began to know, like, and trust Tammy. And I connected with her on Facebook, and I came into her system, Lead Capture Marketing Pro, and now I am part of her Fearless Freedom crew. And that's one of her groups that she has on Facebook. But as well, in regards to that, I am using her marketing system to promote Digital Wealth Pros, and you can use it for any other business opportunity, not just Digital Wealth Pros. You can use it for any other opportunity that you may be involved in. So you're able to create capture pages, and what I like about this particular system is that the capture pages, they do convert at 50 to 60% with the solo ad providers. I have tested that and it's really great. And not just that, as you can see here, these are the capture pages I'm using for Digital Wealth Pros. And you're able to, this is the most recent one, you're able to see here how many opt-ins you've had with this particular page. And for this one, I have just been running organic. I've been running it with just organic traffic as well. But it's really great. I love Lead Capture Marketing Pro. Tammy's trainings have led me to this particular spot where I'm at now. She has trainings back here in regards to how to get started with Facebook marketing, Craigslist advertising, and solo ads. So I am using Craigslist to advertise Digital Wealth Pros, and I am using Facebook. Facebook is one of the best ways to advertise any business online. So one of the ways of advertising with Facebook is getting into Facebook groups. You can advertise your opportunity through Facebook groups, connect with other people who are looking to make money from home. And I did want to go ahead and mention here, I am also using freeglobalclassified ads.com. This is one of my ads that I use for Digital Wealth Pros. I just posted that one a few days ago. And I also have here the free ad forum. This is also another one that I just posted. That was yesterday. You can use these particular sites here to post any opportunity that you may have. But with also Lead Capture Marketing Pro, you're able to come into this particular opportunity at $300, and you can still make $300 by reselling this particular system. So your affiliate link is provided here. This is mine right here. And what's great about it is that the trainings that Tammy offers, they have helped me get to this point. So I really am thankful for that. It's a really great marketing system. It's really organized. It's really simple. It's neat. It gets you started in the right direction. So you start here, go to your dashboard, start right here, getting started. You have a marketing guide, and you go ahead and plug in your opportunity into your into Lead Capture Marketing Pro. So as you can see here with one of my pages, as I click through, here's my capture page, and if I want to go ahead and opt in, I opt into this particular page. This is the bridge page that you can create with Lead Capture Marketing Pro, and a bridge page is it's great to have because that's how you have people, they get to know, like, and trust you, and you get to show yourself and explain why you like this opportunity. It's something brief, but that was my bridge page, and now here is the sales page to Digital Wealth Pros. So with Lead Capture Marketing Pro, it's so organized and neat, simple to use, and you connect everything together and you have a sales funnel right there. But with Digital Wealth Pros, you don't necessarily have to use this marketing system. You do have your own CRM manager back here, where you collect your leads. They come into this particular system. I have Aweber set up with mine, but you can use Digital Wealth Pros and you can have your leads come in here. So I don't have my leads in here. I have them on Aweber. As you can see, there's nothing available here, but that would be on my Aweber account. And you can see them coming in, and you can just use this particular system to get started. But once you get started with one income opportunity, you'll be looking into possibly another one once you get started. So that's where Lead Capture Marketing Pro is really great. And this is considered another income opportunity because you're able to resell it for $300. Just like I mentioned, that's where you have your affiliate link right here. You're able to provide that, and you get your affiliate link with Lead Capture Marketing Pro. And there's different ways of accepting that particular payment. They're listed right here. So that's what I really like. And not just that, but Tammy is a really great, she's a really great person, and she knows her stuff. So I'm really thankful for being able to connect with her and also work with her. But if you're new or if you have experience with marketing, it doesn't matter. This is a great system to use. But if you want to get started, you can get started here today. You can sign up with Digital Wealth Pros. There's three different types of levels to start at. You have a bronze level. It comes with some trainings here. It's at $200. There's also the gold level, which comes at $400 with another great trainings, and there's a platinum level at $800. And at $800, you get everything combined. You get access to all of these great training videos. And for someone like myself, I would consider myself somewhat brand new to affiliate marketing. I would consider myself brand new, but I love it. I love learning about it. This has been a great system to use, and as well Lead Capture Marketing Pro. Excuse me. But if you're interested in getting started today and want to go ahead and get your online journey going here, go ahead and get into my list, and we can go from there. Go ahead and see what I do. That's exactly what you'll be doing. I like to use Google Docs here to manage my emails. So I like to write my emails here, and all that is offered here with Digital Wealth Pros as well, and Lead Capture Marketing Pro. You're able to see how to create a proper email, and that's what I like about also Lead Capture Marketing Pro. There's samples back here that you can use for the emails, and it shows you how, what to do, how to write them out. but it's not complicated. And Digital Wealth Pros has the same thing as well. You're able to learn how to write a good email, and they also have some pre-made emails here that you can use as well. So there's nothing to it. Don't let nothing hold you back, because we only got one life to live. And you know, just like one of the speakers that I hear, one of my favorite speakers, Jim Rohn, like he says, life is a risk. We're not getting out alive. So why do you want to hold back on trying something and experiencing something that you've never done, or just experiencing something that it may be different to you, but don't let that stop you. So if you're interested in getting started, I'll leave the links there in the description. And my name's Jackie Velasco. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do apologize for my voice. Sounds a little bit rough. I'm kind of congested, but I really wanted to make this video and talk about these great opportunities that are available to you online, and something that you can do in your spare time. But I hope to see you on the next one. Take care. My name is Jackie, and I'll see you next time.